Here's another quick lesson. We're going to work on a symmetrical design. What you need is a square piece of paper. So I've already pre-cut my square. Now what you're going to want to do is fold your square in half first. I've cut a smaller square. Okay, and then you're going to fold it again and you're going to make a smaller square. Okay, and then you fold it across so that it makes a triangular shape. Really press hard so you have the lines. When you open it up, you should have 8 sections. So 8 sections will be in there. You'll see the lines. So this is how you do it again. You fold it in half, fold it in half again to a smaller square, and then fold it across to make a triangle. Open it up. Now, how we are going to make a symmetrical drawing, to show you. I'm going to start here in the center, and I'm going to use a dark pencil. And now I am just going to draw only half. I'm going to mirror that line right here. Now I'm going to come up with another design. Maybe I'm going to put some circles. So we'll just do this half here. So I have circles. Maybe I'll do another line. Now it's almost easier if you make a shape or if you mirror your design. Let's make some triangles going all the way across. I might not fill my whole paper for time's sake, but just trying to get the idea. So you have that, and let's just do another line. Off of that line, we could make some scallops. So what you're going to want to do is when you color this in, you can use bright colors, but you want, when you're coloring it, try to match what you do on one side to the other side. Let's do some oval shapes in here. And I'm doing this side in pencil. And I'm going to show you how to transfer it to the other side. And then maybe we'll just draw some lines going out to the ends. And you would continue that design. So you have your whole side of your paper full. What you're going to do is fold your paper over. You're going to take your design, and that should be on the top. This part should be on the top when you fold it over. You are going to take your pencil, and you are going to need to rub over your whole design, okay? Now when you're doing this, you can kind of see the lines come up here. But what happens is the pencil lines transfer to the other side. And so I will show you. Open this up. Now, if you look close, you can see faintly that the pencil and the lines have transferred. So what I'm going to do here so that you can see is I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to go over the pencil marks that I just transferred and show you the difference between my first drawing, my original drawing, and the transferred lines. And I have triangles here. I think I'm trying to see. Okay, and I'm trying to do this quick for time's sake so that you'll know. And then we have the lines. Then we have the scallops. And this will give you a good symmetrical design. And then we have the little ovals. And then we have the straight lines going. So that is what happens. So then if you want to go over your whole drawing with black, you can. If you don't have a marker, you can use a crayon. You can do whatever you want. Now when you're coloring these in, you can color it in with markers as I did here in the sample, or you can use crayons to color it in. So I'm just going to pull out a few, some bright colors, and you start coloring it in. Now because the center is just one big shape, you just want to color that in one color. I guess if you want to be creative, you could color it in different colors. Then the next line, the little squiggly lines that I made going around, you would color that in the same color. Now where you can get creative is on the circles. If you want to make a pattern, coloring those in different colors, you could do that. you could take a blue, two different colors of blue, and you could color in one dark, and you could skip every other one, color them in, and then go back with a different color blue. And this is how you're still doing a symmetrical design, but you're changing up the colors. So what you will do to continue this is you will just pick out different colors and just start coloring them in. You can change it up on the diamonds here. If you want on the triangles, you could do them all one color. You could do them different colors. So this is sort of like a mandala. It's a symmetrical design. It's very easy. You have to remember when you are pressing here that you use the side of the pencil and you need to press fairly hard. If you have difficulty doing it, maybe a parent can help you. So here's one that I did this morning as an example, and here's one that I've done now. So I hope you have fun doing this project, and I'll come back soon for another one. Thanks.